What's up guys, it's Alvin and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how you can make your own custom help command. So let's get started. First, what you want to do is you want to remove the normal help command. So to do that, you want to do five.remove command, and then inside, and then add a parenthesis, and inside add quotation marks. Inside the quotation marks, help, and then close. Yeah. Now you want to make a new command. So client.command, async help ctx, and then you want to make an embed, and then the title can be whatever you want. I'm just gonna name it help, but you could add colors here, whatever you want to do. Yeah, like just customize it to whatever you want. And then you want to do a for loop and for command in client walk command. Inside the for loop, you want to do des equals command dot description. If des, if not des, or des equals none, or des equals empty quotation marks, colon. You want to do des equals no description, provided. And then after that, stay in the for loop, and then here, come out of the if loop, and then add if command dot signature is none, is none, then the command signature dot signature is just empty quotation marks. Now you want to stay in the for loop, but you want to come out of the if loop and add n, and then you have add a field to the embed, and add field. And then make the name equal fstring, quotation marks, command dot name, add brackets around the command dot name, and then add another set of brackets and do command dot signature, and then you add those little tiny curly things, and then comma, and then value equals des. And then last thing, come out of the for loop and just await ctx.send. Now run the bot. This all is going to work on Repellent, but I'm just doing it on VSC because it's easier for me to code on. As you can see, it says tutorial bot is ready. Now let's go to Discord and check if it works. As you can see, the tutorial bot is online. Now let's check it out and see if the command works. Type in help, and I did something wrong. Alright, so in command you have to add parentheses there. Sorry, so run the bot again, and it should work. And then let's run it again. And as you can see, the help came up, and then every command that we have came up too. And then you can customize it to however you want. That's how I did it. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to share, comment, like, and subscribe. Peace.